Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Ferris, and today I'm doing a trading recap on my trades and how I added 9% to my original $500 account, pushing it up to just under $700, around $695, give or take a few dollars, for a total of 39% gain just this week, and I did not trade Wednesday. So today I made a total profit, okay, of $46, okay? I had a lot of commissions, and I had a lot of trades. So I'm going to show you what I did, how I made the money, and how I still stayed profitable with the high commission rate. So basically, I have on this Windows link right here on Google Chrome all my trades. So today I made 14 total trades. That's buying and selling. That's 2 different trades. They consider that 2 different trades, but it's a total of 7 trades. So it's a little more trading than I usually do. But I'm going to show you why I did that and how I still managed to go profitable over trading and with such a high commission rate. Because if you use SureTrader, you start trading a lot, you start adding up the commissions if you're not making money. So that's pretty much it. But SureTrader is a great platform to grow a small account, so I really suggest using it if you know what you're doing. So today I traded Miles. This is the first one out of the gate. I traded this right when the market opened. So basically what I saw was it was gapping up. It's a former runner on the daily. You can see it was former supernova, but it wasn't up on anything special. They had some NFL alumni news, whatever, wellness challenge, blah, blah, blah. This would have been good, but then they filed a $75 million mixed security shelf offering Wednesday afternoon, which means they could sell shares, they could sell bonds, whatever type of securities they could sell to dilute shareholders. So that's bad. So basically, what I saw was a resistance at 230. Okay, low volume, whatever. Pre-market, it was doing okay, and then I saw this bounce, and I wanted to take a short right here, but I didn't. I don't like shorting pre-market because it could have went right against me and spiked. So what I did right when the market opened, you can see at 9:30:14. Okay, 14 seconds after the market open, I took a short at 205, and then literally 35 seconds later, I covered that at 193 for a total of $40 profit. Okay, all in this candle. How I knew that was going to happen was obviously it ramped up here, it made a lower low, and it couldn't get enough volume to bounce back up and try to test the highs. It was way off the highs, and it was already showing signs of collapsing right here, guys. You can see, comes up, long wick here. That's a sign that it can't hold its gains. You want to see a full body, a full body, a full body. Okay, it went up all the way to 222 and came right back down. Came down. I wish I could have gotten short up here because it offered a lot of profit, about 30 cents in 2 minutes. I went short in this candle, and I covered down here at 190. Way too soon. You could see if I waited just about a minute, I could have covered at 180, 185, which would have netted me another 8 cents a share. But that was all in 35 seconds. So good trade. I love that, and I was about to be done at the day. Then I forced a short, okay, and that was a short sell, guys. I shorted the stock. Then I forced a short at 184, thinking it was going to continue to collapse. This was a very poor mistake. I shorted around right here, okay, give or take some time, and I got squeezed when it started spiking. I covered, I lost all my gains, and then I reshorted at 220 because this was a short squeeze. It just popped right up. It popped from 185 to 230 in 2 minutes. Insane short squeeze. Went short after I saw this long wick, which means it couldn't hold its gains up here. Volume died out. I could see that on this candle. The volume is way lower on the next candle. You can see it right here. It's way lower. Okay, here's 711,000, and then you have 360,000. Not continuation. Boom, trash. I shorted right there. I took a short position at 220, and I covered at 195 right here. Way too soon. I could have made way more money. I made $87, but that was a good short, actually. That was I actually covered at the right time. And then I shorted it again. I got way too impulsive. This is around this time, and I got squeezed out again. $21 loss. Poor mistake. I should have waited because I saw an uptrend. This was actually bullish for a minute. It started making higher lows right here. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Boom, right there. This was a good buy right here around this time. But yeah, it went right up to 230, and then you could see it triple topped. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it triple topped. A long wick here, a long wick. bad sign. I went short here, and I was very disappointed in myself for covering too soon. As you guys can see, that was a trade right here when I went short at 211 at 1040. I covered 4 minutes later for a 6-cent gain, but was patient and waited 15 more minutes, okay? I could have covered at around 180, 190, $2, and definitely locked in more than $18, probably another $60, and I would have been set. So right there at that time, I lost most of my profits. I lost these gains because the ECNs and the commissions added up, and when you short, you have to pay a little more for borrowing. So I was up at $20. When if I just waited a little more, I could have definitely been up 100. So anyway, that was that trade, and then I shorted XNet. I almost died on this one. So I shorted this one thinking it was, very overextended on the daily. You'd see from 440 up to 8, but it's been doing bull flag after bull flag, and I thought it would go red this day because yesterday it had a huge spike right here, and I missed this. I saw it, but I missed it. I mean, I told you I didn't trade, and it dropped right here, and I wanted to short this. So I was kind of emotional, which is very bad, and I took an impulsive trade here at 770, and it ran against me till 8, and it like triple topped at 8. You have to see this on the 5-minute. Like quad topped at 8, and I only had 300 shares here short on XNet at 770. And then it came, I was going to add 200 more shares, but I was like, if it goes against me a little more, it breaks 8, I could add higher, or I just wait for it to come down and break even. I waited for it to come down. I could have taken like $18 profit. I missed out. It was too quick. I got covered for break even, and there was that. I was up $6, and good thing I covered because it then squeezed, and it could really break out tomorrow. So that's on watch. So now I'm only up $6 today. I'm like, damn, I'm not going to trade anymore. I'll chill. And then right as the market is about to close in power hour, we have TTMP. This was jumped on Donald Trump right here, announcing the opioid epidemic, and a lot of these stocks were jumping. A lot of these pharma companies were jumping, and it followed OPNT, which went absolutely nuts, guys. This stock is crazy. It's up from $5 in July to freaking, it went all the way to 50. This is insane. This is madness. It's beautiful. I love it. I love it. Okay, so let's see. Hold up. Checking time, 7 minutes. Anyway, this ran quickly. In 15 minutes, it ran from, at 12, it ran from $34 to $48. So obviously, that was great profit potential. I didn't take a trade on it. I didn't even short it because I couldn't find shares to short. It was too high for my account. So I looked for more stocks, and I found TTMP. Did the same thing. Smaller end. I was excited. So basically what I saw was it started popping on the opioid news, and it was going up, up, up. I took a short. I didn't even long this. I missed the long. I could have bought in here. I missed it. It had these long wicks and a little bit of a doji here on the 1 minute. I was only trading this on the 1 minute since it was a quick stock. I took a short right here when it had these 2 long wicks, double topped. Took a short right here at 270. Okay, you can see it took a short at 270, covered at 255 with only 350 shares for a $52 profit. I tried to cover here at 250, didn't cover me, and then dropped to 240, which would have been even better. So I was very conservative on this, and I was very quick. I didn't want to get burned. I wanted to get in and get out and make my profit, and I was happy, and I was done. If I were to do it again, I would have definitely held and shorted here and then covered. I would have covered my position for a quarter instead of 15 cents, and then I would have reshorted at the double top at 270 and then covered around 230. In hindsight, it's a lot better. Your vision's 2020, but yeah, you could see what I saw was this double top, volume fading. A lot of these buyers sold up here because they're up a lot, so that's where I take my short, and I made a lot of money there for a total of, as you guys can see, $46 total profit on my $639 account. And having 14 total trades obviously added up the ECNs, which is what you pay the market makers, and it added up the commissions. But I did make $50 today. I'm up 39% on my account, so it's a very great day. I did trade very poorly, and I still made money, so that's the beauty of the market. So that's really it. That's my recap. I'm going to show you guys a couple trades, potential trades for tomorrow, and a good stocks that are closing really well. Okay, so we got SRAX. Sorry, this is all clogged up. But we got SRAX. which is my baby. I've been calling this out for like 3 weeks. I haven't taken a trade on it yet. I took a trade down here and made some profit. But a lot of accumulation, consolidation, SRAX potential runner over 475. Then we got JP for a short. This is a supernova collapsing. So potential short for me tomorrow on JP. XNet, I want to see this run really hard, and I'm going to short this down because it's hitting resistance. So XNet, potential short or potential long, especially if it breaks $8, it can run to 10. So watch that. We got OPNT. I want to see if it could bounce off 40 and continue. TTNP, VISI, which I called that 350. Didn't take a trade on, missed that out. That one consolidated really well. Beautiful, beautiful chart on this one on the daily. And then it could run to about $6. And then I'm just going to trade whatever is hot at the time the market opens. So that's really it, guys. I'm up $50 on my account, total of 39%. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you guys have any critiques on how I should perform my videos better, or do anything better to help you guys learn, I'm more than willing to help you. Also, I want to start doing some live trading so you guys can see what I'm seeing and why I trade these certain stocks, because in hindsight, it's not as educational as it is live. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm up 39% as of Thursday without trading on Wednesday. So 3 trading days, up 39% on my $500 account. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. Please leave a like, subscribe for more awesome day trading videos. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Have an awesome day, guys. Later.